an honor to meet His Excellency the President here in Dubai during the government summit that is hosted in the United Arab Emirates. You know, Masdar is a global leader in renewable energy, and through our platform Infinity Power, we are one of the major players in renewable energy across Africa. His Excellency the President welcomed us and explained the importance of investing in your great country Zimbabwe, and Masdar and its subsidiary Infinity Power is working closely with the government of Zimbabwe to invest a large-scale renewable energy in the country with the support of the government, of course, and under the leadership of the President and his government. So we look forward in visiting Zimbabwe soon and deploying capital to decarbonize the system and provide sustainable, competitive, renewable energy into Zimbabwe, and of course using Zimbabwe as a hub for the region as well. We are at, I would say, the beginning of a journey. However, what we strongly believe is that we are keen to deploy as much capital as possible into the country.